want everyone to remember that this is an important, point in the journey. But knowing this company and knowing the founder and the management team, they're genuine, business builders, and there's a lot of value creation to come. Vijay, we want this to be a trillion market cap company at some point in time as well. So let's all keep that perspective in mind. This is, the journey is beautiful. This is a, point in the journey, but there's a lot to come. And all the best for the future. And, there's a lot of us who are true supporters of this business, really believe in the institution that has come together, both in terms of the team, as well as the shareholders, as well as the board members, and there's a lot to look forward to. So thank you, and enjoy today.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your thoughts with us this morning. Time now for memento presentation. Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, BSE, will present mementos as congratulatory gesture to Shri Vijay Shekhar Sharma, founder and CEO, Paytm, and Shri Madhur Devra, President and Group CFO, Paytm. Could I request Vijay ji and Madhur ji to please step up on stage? Ashish sir is already here.
Still be seated. Still.
So this, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, is a replica of the big gong that is placed on the stage, and this will be struck exactly at 10 o'clock. Could I request Madhurji to please accept the memento from Ashish sir? I think he is not here. I cannot see him. Never mind. We will now present mementos to the VRLNs for their valuable contribution, beginning with Shri Kamal Yadav from Morgan Stanley.
Hello.
Aiye, Kamal ji. So this, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, is a mini replica of the big bull that is at the entrance gate of BSE. I invite Sudarshan Ramakrishnan.
Black t-shirt, sit still. Just sit it.
All right, we also have Mr. Kailash with us, and they are from Goldman Sachs.
Still be seated. Still.
Could I request Shri Salil Pitare from Axis Capital Limited? And now the company will be presenting a memento to Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD, CEO, BSE, in reciprocation. Vijay ji and Madhur ji will be presenting this memento to Ashish ji. I will request I also request Vijay ji to please present mementos to the BRLNs and all those who have supported in this issue, beginning with Kamal Yadav. Sir, aaiye. Shri Sudarshan Ramakrishnan. I आइए सर. Shri Sudarshan Ramakrishnan along with Shri Kailash ji from Goldman Sachs. And we have Shri Salil Pitare from Axis Capital. Can I invite Shri Abhinav Bharti from JP Morgan? आइए sir. That's Abhinav Bharti from JP Morgan. I request Shri Vijay Chandok from ICICI to please step up on stage. That's Vijay Chandok from ICICI. And from Citibank, can I invite Shri Ravi Kapoor? Shri Ravi Kapoor from Citibank. And next, Shri Jayant Bharadwaj from Shardul Amarchand, counsel to the company. So that's Shri Jayant Bharadwaj from Shardul Amarchand, counsel to the company. Can I call Abhimanyu Bhattacharya from Khaitan and Company, counsel to the BRLMs. That's Shri Abhimanyu Bhattacharya from Khaitan and Company, counsel to the BRLMs. And next I request Shri Amitesh Datta from PricewaterhouseCoopers, the auditors. Mr. Amitesh Datta from PwC, the auditors. And Shri Yogendra Seth from EY, also the auditors. Shri Yogendra Seth from Ernst & Young, the auditors. Thank you, gentlemen. And now the vote of thanks will be proposed by Shri Salil Pitare, MD and Co-CEO, Axis Capital Limited. A quick one because we are running out of time.
Hello.
Salil, I'll request you for a quick VOT.
Yeah, we are running out of time. So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's really a momentous occasion, not just for the company, but also for capital markets in general. An 18,000 crore IPO, first time ever in the history of the country. It's a proud moment for the capital markets, all intermediaries and everyone. It's important to acknowledge the regulators, SEBI, who've been extremely proactive and open-minded to allow new age businesses like Paytm and a lot of others. It's also an amazing feeling that this listing happens in this heritage institution of Bombay Stock Exchange, of a new age company like Paytm. The journey for Paytm is just astounding. A company which started as a mobile VAS player years back to really become such an extraordinary player and part of the digital revolution in the country. Vijay and his entire team at Paytm just bring the passion and energy to have done this, and they mix that with an excellent understanding and ear to the ground, combined with a mindset of innovation, have ensured that Paytm has reached where it has. We'd like to congratulate Vijay, Madhur and the entire team at Paytm for building this remarkable organization, which is always vibrant, cutting edge, innovative, and at the forefront of spotting opportunities and creating technological solutions, which has resulted in Paytm actually becoming a habit for a lot of us across India. And it is this very strong bond that Paytm has built with its customers wide and far, which has attracted some of the best global private equity institutions and now some of the global financial institutions on the capital market side, domestic institutions, and a whole multitude of retail players. We at Access Capital are extremely proud to have been part of this journey and contributed in a limited manner towards doing this. We have no doubt that Paytm's listing further opens up opportunities for a whole lot of technology players for access to money through the capital markets in India. Finally, a public listing is a set of responsibilities, and I think Paytm, I'm sure, will justify that over the years ahead. We wish you at Paytm all the very best in your listed journey. Thanks, Vijay.
Thank you. That was just in time, and जिस पल का हमें इंतजार था वो करीब आ रहा है. The momentous time for which we all are eagerly awaiting is fast approaching. The ringing of the gong, which will mark the official listing of Paytm. आगे के फोटोग्राफर्स प्लीज नीचे बैठ जाइएगा. पीछे से लाइव चल रहा है, लाइव टेलीकास्ट चल रहा है. आगे फोटोग्राफर्स प्लीज नीचे बैठ जाइएगा. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in cheering when the customary 10-second countdown begins. 10 को 10 सेकंड बाकी होंगे. आप सभी मेरे साथ काउंटडाउन की गिनती में शामिल हो जाइएगा. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Management, investors, stakeholders of Paytm on the official listing. ढेर सारी बधाई और बहुत शुभकामनाएं. फिर से एक बार तालियों की गूंज के साथ हम इस पल को सजाएंगे. Let us put our hands together one loud time to cheer for Paytm. It's truly an honor to be introduced and welcomed on this corporate ladder. So on that note, we conclude the function. Kindly proceed for tea, coffee, refreshments that have been arranged in the adjoining banquet hall. To my left, your right. Also, we have 2 selfie booths. Again, to my left, as you enter the banquet hall. Please help yourself to pictures. Ladies and gentlemen, have a lovely time ahead. Thank you for being a wonderful audience. This is Manasi taking your leave. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay well. देवी और सज्जनों, इसी के साथ आयोजन का समापन होता है। जलपान का प्रबंध बैंक्वेट हॉल में किया गया है, साथ ही 2 सेल्फी बूथ्स वहां पर रखे हैं। यू कैन टेक पिक्चर्स देयर। मैं मानसी आप सभी से विदा लेती हूँ। सुरक्षित रहे, स्वस्थ रहे।